You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. AWS S3 is a game changer for cloud storage. AWS S3, or Simple Storage Service, is like your personal, super scalable, cloud-based hard drive. It's vital for storing and retrieving any amount of data, anytime, anywhere. First, sign into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service. Click Create Bucket. Name your bucket. This name must be unique across all of AWS. Next, choose your region. Selecting a region close to you can reduce latency and costs. Then, configure your settings. You can set permissions, enable versioning, or even set up encryption. Once you're done, click Create. Boom! You've just created your first S3 bucket. Upload files by clicking Upload, drag and drop your files and hit Upload again. It's that simple. Now, you're ready to manage your cloud storage like a pro. Hit subscribe for more AWS tips and tricks. Happy cloud computing!